evening. Namaskarams to all. Hamsadhwani R Ramachandran Award of Excellence presented to V Excel Education Trust, Chennai, received by Dr. Vasudha Prakash. Hamsadhwani considers itself honored to greet and felicitate V Excel Educational Trust for their monumental contribution that gives hope and benefits individuals with special needs, especially those with intellectual and cognitive challenges. With multiple centers across India, they have promoted social inclusion through their pioneering and innovative approaches, combining education, therapy, and vocational training, and integrating individuals with special needs into mainstream society. It is in this spirit that Hamsadhwani takes pride in commemorating through this R. Ramachandran Award of Excellence their selfless work with commitment and devotion to serve the nation. We salute the highly distinguished members led by founder Dr. Vasudha Prakash and pray to the Almighty to bless her and the team with abundant resources, robust health to carry forward their mission for many more decades. May the noble and path-breaking services of V Excel Educational Trust continue to enrich society. On this day, Thursday, 1st of January 2026, in the presence of Sri Nalli Kupuswamy Chetty and Sri K. Vijay Kumar IPS.
I request Nalli sir and Vijay Kumar sir to do the honors to Vasudha Prakash along with our President Seetharaman. Dr. Vasudha Prakash shares her thoughts on this occasion, not only inspiring all of us to engage in fruitful service to the society, but also showing the path of how to deal with people with special needs.
Good evening, everyone, the audience. My heart is full today to be here. It's a very, very special evening for me, special day for me. What a wonderful, marvelous way to kickstart the new year. What can be better than this? And so many factors, because I come to this Sabha very often, and I listen and enjoy all the offerings of Mr. Sundar. And I'm a regular shopper at Nalli's. Mr. Seetharaman is an integral part of our organization, and I'm the biggest fan that you can see of Anita Guha ma'am and her dance drama. So everything has just come together. The stars have aligned, like I say. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It means a lot. Can I tell you a little story? Have you heard of the story of the two pots, two clay pots? So this gardener, he used to have two pots, and he used to take these pots to get filled with water in a pool nearby, in a river nearby. So one of the pots was cracked. So he used to carry one pot on the left side and one pot on the right side, and he used to take this pot, fill it up, and bring it back. On the way back, this cracked pot used to leak. Obviously, there was a crack in that. And then he used to reach, and only half the water would remain in the cracked pot, whereas the other pot was full and very satisfied that he had carried the water to the satisfaction of his master. So the full pot was very proud. The cracked pot used to say, "Master, why do you put up with me? Just replace me with a full pot. Every time you carry me, I'm leaking all the way. I only carry half the pot. I'm very sad. I don't like this." So the master said to the cracked pot, "Come with me. Just see the path there. Do you see the other path there, where I walk? On one path, do you see that there are pretty flowers? Beautiful flowers. And you see that the other path doesn't have those flowers. What does it say to you? It says that everybody has a destiny, a role to play in this life. The cracked pot made the path beautiful because he leaked the water. So what I'm trying to say is that people with special needs are the flowers. You've created a garden for us, all of us who serve people with special needs. And this award is for those wise souls who have created this community for all of us. And many of our VXL family are here, and I am only the face, and they do all the work. And the parents of the people with special needs, we need to build temples for them because they are so devoted, so committed to their children. Even after they reach adulthood, they want to be with them and support them throughout. So this field that we are in, children, everybody says it's a noble work and we are doing, human service and all that. But I always feel that children with special needs have made our life worthwhile, and have added so much beauty and so much of wisdom and consciousness to our lives. So my gratitude to this community of people with special needs, and Mr. Ramachandran's award is for them. Thank you so much. And just one more minute to tell you about our services very quickly. We are 25 years old now, and we focus on people with cognitive disabilities. And the USP of our organization is we don't turn away anyone. Often special schools say that we operate up to the age of 18, and after that people have to find some avenue. But we are a lifespan organization. We create livelihoods. We try and place people with marginal disabilities in jobs. We support the families. We provide counseling for parents and extended family. So we try to be an umbrella organization supporting everybody who's affected by special needs. And all of us have some special needs. It is there. But for us to build a bridge between these children and these young adults and the world is what we try and do. So again, this award is for those wise souls and for all the teachers and the coordinators, all of them who support this community, and the parents who are really gods for them. Thank you, thank you, thank you.